lagoon and waiting for the shoe of the dolphin. And it will be there soon. It will begin shortly. And there is also a beautiful view of Subic Bay.
The dolphins. Now here at Ocean Adventure we have 3 dolphin species. And as you see, they come in all shapes and sizes. Now, let's introduce our friends to you one by one. Starting up with our biggest on the dolphin named Nala. Followed up by Bailey. And of course the only male on the dolphin, Enzo. Now our dolphins here are very friendly and they look like whales, dolphins, and dolphins are not fish, are they? Are they? No, they are mammals, that's right, just like you and me. Let's how to do that. First, fish moves their tail from side to side, just like this. And now we know that our no water can get inside. And did you know that these sentinels are excellent divers? They can dive as deep as 1,000 feet and hold their breath for about 8 to 10 minutes. Try this sometime. And they also use a blowhole to talk. With the right they'll click, squeak, walk, and licks. Listen again. What a lovely sound from the ocean, right? Now let's talk about their fins. Know that even their backs are called the dorsal fins, and these have fins to stabilize in the water. So how about the movement on either side of their body? Outside. Now those fins are called the pectoral fins, and they use those fins to steer themselves through the water. Now, let's have our sentinels put those fins into action by doing some of their natural behaviors. First, what do dolphins do if they want to see or move over long distances? Well, they jump up the air. Just like that. That's what we call a high back. And what the dolphins do if they want to scratch their teeth in skin? They do a reach. Some also do reach to catch a fish or communicate with other dolphins. And what do dolphins do if they want to have some fun or just show off? You amazing acrobatic aerial travel around the world for amazing dolphins. Now here's a detail for your guys. Anyone? Juliecious and Olympic swimmer. On his present days, Michael Phelps can reach a speed up to 9.6 kilometers per hour. But for dolphins, they can do better than that. They can reach up to 40 kilometers per hour. Now, whenever you're ready, guys, hit it. Well, that was fast, right? But wait, here's the most interesting feat of all. If Michael Jackson can do the iconic moonwalk, well, the dolphins can you guys show them? Well, let's go on. And they also do it forward.
Magsuot ka muna ng shoes.
Alright, well, now let's move here. Next to trainer Rian. Now I want you to kneel down next to trainer Rian, and I want you to meet Nala. Now to start off with your friendship, how about a friendly handshake? Just grab her wrist and give it a good shake. And don't forget to stand up for this too. Friends, here's a little known secret about dolphins. They are very ticklish. Now, why don't you try tickling Nala right between her pectoral fins? See? Very ticklish, right? Alright, now, since you're Nala's new best friend, let's play a little game, alright, Gwen? So we trainers use hand signals to communicate with our dolphins. So I'm gonna try to pick up, okay? I want you to stick your fingers in the fingers out like this. And wiggle them right side. See, you're making her sing. Now I think Nala deserves a fish for that. Just listen. Alright. Now, dolphins are not just great singers, they're also amazing dancers. So it's Gwen. You heard that? Are you ready to dance with a dolphin? Are you ready? Don't worry, it'll be very easy. All you have to do is jump in the water. Just kidding. All you have to do is follow Rian for the dance move. Now, give it maestro. Put your hands up and shake it. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, turn. Now, side to side. And clap your hands. Alright, you can read it with our dolphins. Nakakahusay naman po, Miss Gwen. I think Nala deserves another fish for that. Alright. Alright, now, one last behavior. Let's move here next to Tracer Pal. I want you to lean down here. And go. Now, all you have to do is hold your hands like that. And pick up. Now, and wave goodbye to Enzo. Oh, he got you all right. You have a mouthful of water. Are you all right, Miss Gwen? Let's move here. No, nice. Alright, Enzo will make it up for you. He will give you a surprise. And that is a photo with your new crown friend. Now, all you have to do is kneel down and give Enzo a big tender hug. Look at the camera. Also, we offer several opportunities for you to meet our older friends up close and personal. So if you want to have this once-in-a-lifetime experience, just ask our
May bayad yung picture.
Yan, libre yan.
Yeah, by Miss Gwen. One last question before I let you go.
Yung nakita mo yun?
Eh, volunteer yan eh. Iba doon yun.
Hindi.
Now, before you go, does your hand smell a little fishy from the fish earlier? No, fishy? Well, don't you worry, because that fish is that fishy smell. Which dolphin trainers is all over the world using that fishy smell, alright? Now, I want you to shake your hand. Harder! Harder! As hard as you could, and wipe it away. Now I catch you like this. Thank you so much for being such a great guest and a great sport. You may now get back to your seat and enjoy the rest of the show. Now for a round of applause for our lucky guest.
Paganyan yata.
Now here at Ocean Adventure, we use positive reinforcement in training our animals. That means they get something they like after doing all the great behaviors that we'll see in the show. So, I have a question for you. What do you think is their favorite reward? Burger? Pizza? No, I got it right. away to them. Well, they're saying no. I wonder why. Now, how about a big fish or a handful of fish? Alright, fair offer to them. And they're saying yes. And folks, that is a splendid example of the dolphins training the trainers. But I'm just kidding. Well, the truth is, training is based on trust. And we have developed a special bond with these animals. And right now, we're going to show you what that means.
Walang zipper yan, sarap mo lang mabutin. Binukas na
Power bank. Yes, so ganyan. Daanan yan.
tumalon eh.
Kaya ko tatalapagan.
hirap kunan. Palis-alis kasi. Na,
Meron kang holder. Yung
time-lapse dapat yan eh.
Let's give it up for the Sentinels of the Sea!
ang gagawin niya.
Sweet.
We want to thank you for representing the Since that means that as we sit here, really show is the hope we're having a great day. Only here at Ocean Adventure.
Tatalo niya.
Bye everyone! Thank you to Encounter and Wait Dolphin for participating as a trending diver. Again, maraming salamat po.
So guys, we finished our journey for today. Thank you for joining me. And I hope you enjoy the ocean adventure. And guys, see you next time. Always stay safe and God bless. Bye for now. Thank you for watching.